give an update on where we are with the theatre. So all the framing is done, sheetrocking is done, and the painting is done. So we're getting ready for the final inspection. So to walk you through where we are at this time. Okay, so this is the entry to the theatre. As you see here, the walls have been painted the same color and the doors are matching it as well. So this is just from the outside. As I walk here, you would see that the door actually has a lock. Just want to keep my kids away from the theatre and messing around with the equipment. So when I open the door, you would see that the door is painted red with a black border. So I'll walk you through inside. So this is a finished theatre room. If you're looking at this, it's got the black ceiling all over and the red walls and the black baseboard. Just going around, all the speaker wires, outlets, the door. As you see, the door is painted red from the inside and has a black border. And turning around, that's where the screen is going to be. So as you see here, we created the doorway to the back of the screen here on the right side. And we also have another access on the left hand side to come behind the speaker. So this is going to be my equipment rack as I come in. If you look at this here, all the wiring is here. And as you walk out, you go back into the theatre. So just wanted to share this piece of update with you. More to come after the carpeting. The next step is really the final inspection and the carpeting. After which the frame and the acoustically transparent screen and everything else will come. So just keep watching the channel and I'll keep more updates coming. Thank you.